welcome viewers and subscribers. Good to see you again after a small break. I've been continuously traveling, so it took some time for me to work on the video. So let's go with the video. Today we are going to talk about the packaging. Why packaging is so significant and important? Because once we are going to move any goods from point A to the point B, it is always recommended to do any goods in a complete packed format. The reason for us to insist more on the packing is because any goods which are going to move out of India to the destination, it has to travel a long way, at least minimum 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers. Since that is going to be a big place to move out, it is always better to go for packaging. Okay. What is the reason for going for a packaging test? Basically, it is to safeguard the goods, to avoid breakages, to avoid any damages to the goods, and to stabilize the weight of the goods. What kind of packaging can be recommended for different products? Different products have different kinds of packaging. Say for example, if you wanted to send some raw food items, say for example rice, it has to be packed in PP bags, which is called as polypropylene bags, where it can load up to even 25 kilos in one package, which is a huge amount. So if you look at, there will be loaders who will be moving the goods from the warehouse to the container, then from the container it will be moved to any customs area, then to the port. It goes on a transshipment. From the transshipment it goes to the destination. So it has various levels of movement. So the goods has to be properly stored. For that reason, we should go for a proper packaging. If you are going for any heavy machineries or engineering items, it is always recommended to do the packaging on a complete steel frame or steel structure, because again the transportation involves a lot of movement in the domestic, the Indian road movement, then it goes on an international transportation also. So always better to go for a complete packaging. But generally, what is the easiest and one of the cheapest way of doing packaging? Now, the world is going on a complete eco-friendly packaging system, which is they recommend corrugated box packing. The carton box packing also has different levels. They tell that as 1 ply, 2 ply, 3 ply. So based on the price, you will be able to get different types of carton boxes. Again, once the goods are loaded in the carton boxes, it is always recommended to do a shrink wrapping. This shrink wrapping will completely protect our goods, and one of the best and the safe way of doing packaging is palletization. That's the world's normal or standard way of packaging, where the goods will be kept on the pallet. The entire goods will be shrink wrapped. So this helps for any loading and unloading will be very easy, because we have a lot of forklifts which are being used globally. So this will help in the entire transportation in much better way also. I hope today this has given a lot of insights for us to know about the packaging, why it is so important. I hope this will be useful for you for using in your packaging activities in the future shipments. Let's catch up in the next video. You can share your questions on the comment box. We will be interested to answer for that. Thank you so much, and good to see you again in the next video.